What's the difference between a forgery and a copy? This video can help us define it. So this is a copy of that, and that is a copy of this. And in fact, anybody who's ever learned to write has done this because you learn to copy letters and match the original. You know an A is right when it gets closer to the A in your book. Similarly, this artist knew he was doing better by getting closer to this. Just like this copy is better and more interesting the closer it gets to that. And the thing about copies is some of them get so good, we can't tell. And if we lose the documentation, we don't know if it's actually a Leonardo or a copy. Just as years from now, if we only have this side of the video, we might not know. So there's a lot of things where we don't know who the artist is, but it's not a forgery. Like this, the most expensive painting ever auctioned. And that's a lot about context. Once the context is gone, it's hard to assess. We have this context, so we know this isn't a very faithful copy. And we know which one is the original. That context is also what lets us in on why these copies are made. For example, as being sort of a parody or a joke. And a lot of times art is made in response, so the copy is a bit of a parody, like this one by Marcel Duchamp. Which takes us to forgeries. So if somebody loaded his original video onto TikTok under their name to make money, that's basically a forgery. So in the art world, that's when you make an artwork, pretend to be someone else, and sell it for profit.